Hi everyone, so this is our food packs. We have sweet potato, opo, sayote, squash, and cabbage. We have vinegar, what's this, soy sauce, onion, garlic, some seasoning. This is rice, and this is green beans. Squash. So these are the food packs here. So we are going to start distributing tonight. One of our donor, Miss Judilyn T. Cerezo, she is celebrating her birthday with us. Thank you so much, Miss Judilyn T. and Cerezo family, for your donations in kind. They have been supporting us since the second batch donation drive. So thank you so much, and advance happy birthday, Judilyn T. Cerezo. I would also like to give a shout out to Matso Numa. Thank you so much for your donations via PayPal, and to Abigail Sevilla and family for the wire transfer donation. So total PayPal donations we received is 9,049 pesos and 90 centavos. For the wire transfer, we received 1,500. Total donations received is 10,549 pesos and 90 centavos, less the negative balance from the second batch, that is negative 1,936.52. So total third batch donations that we can spend is 8,613 pesos and 38 centavos. And then we receive donation in kind from our birthday girl, Judilyn T. Cerezo and family. We received 31 food packs that includes 4 kg rice, kamote, sayote, and squash, and a pack of diapers. Okay? Thank you so much, everyone, for the support. To give you an update on the expenses, total expense we have 8,623 pesos. So we have a balance of negative 9 pesos and 62 centavos. These are our beneficiaries, and they are renters and boarders in our community. A lot of them did not receive government financial aid. They receive little to no support from our government. Some of them, there is a group of renters here who have been stranded. They're from Manila, and they could not go home because of the enhanced community quarantine lockdown. This is actually Dolores, our volunteer. She also got a food pack. Just an overview of how much we have given food packs to Cebuano families. During the first batch, we have given 90 food packs. Second batch, we've given 163 food packs. And for this third batch, we have given 45 food packs to Cebuano families. So all in all, we've given 298 food packs. There are actually some extra vegetables that we also distributed. Okay, now we are still accepting donations. If you want to help out some Cebuano families who are in need of food packs, you can send in your donations at budsandjudy@gmail.com. Okay, that's all for today. Do visit my site cebuano101.com for more Bisaya lessons. I'll see you again next time. Bye.